Hey everyone, welcome back to ManiMaker. In today's video, I'll show you how to change cutting pressure on your Cricut Explore Air 2. I'll explain everything in a simple and easy to follow way. So just sit back and relax. If you need one-on-one assistance over the phone, you can call us at the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, let's continue with the steps. Set the dial to custom and turn on your Cricut Explore machine. Then go to Cricut Design Space and get ready with your design. Once everything looks good, click on Make in the upper right corner. Now you'll be taken to Prepare screen. Here, click on Browse all materials, scroll down and select Material Settings. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to ManiMaker for more easy Cricut tips and step-by-step guides. Scroll down, locate your material and select Edit. Drag and adjust pressure as needed and click on Save. You can also change the pressure from this drop-down menu. This way, you can easily change the cutting pressure on Cricut Explore Air 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.